Hey everyone! Father's Day is coming up. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a beautiful Father's Day card. So let's get started. To make this card, you need square pieces of paper with different colors, a long rectangular piece of paper, a pencil, a ruler, some glue, and a pair of scissors. Take the square piece of paper and fold it in half. Draw half of a heart from the folded side. Now cut it out. Make as many hearts as you want. Now put the hearts aside and mark the sides of a heart onto the long blue piece of paper. Draw a line through the marks. Now mark every centimeter. Draw a line through the rest of the marks. This is how it should look like. Now fold all the lines. Now mark the heart once more. Put glue between the folded lines and glue the heart. Do this to the rest of the hearts. Now get a 12 cm by 2 cm paper. Make sure that it is the same color as the long rectangular piece of paper. Put the paper on top of the blue strip and fold from both sides. Put glue onto both sides and glue the strip onto the rectangular paper. Now draw and cut it like this to make it look more fancier. As you can see, it doesn't work the first time you try it, so fold the creases again. And now it works. You can write your own messages in the hearts. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.